All right, I got questions about 9 and 10 from page 397. And then I did them and then realized I didn't record. So doing that now. Hopefully this is working. So what does question 9 say? It says a busy city street can produce sound levels near 90 decibels. Okay, 90 decibels. And then I have a ratio here. That's why I have the colon. Depending on the number of large vehicles. To calculate the ratio of the sound intensity of a power saw to that of a city street. So if this is city street and this is a power saw, on table 2, page 395, it tells us that a power saw is 120 decibels. So we're comparing 90 to 120. That's the ratio, okay, which is basically 3 to 4. And so it's asking, for the answer in words. So you can say that a busy city street is about 75% as powerful as a power saw, sound intensity wise. Does that make sense? 3 to 4, you can look at it as 3 over 4, ratios. There's lots of ways of kind of phrasing them. But a city street is only 3/4 as loud as a power saw, 90 to 120. Cool. Hopefully that makes sense. Number 10, I wish this would have recorded. So number 10, this will show up weirdly. A cough is about 2.35 times 10 to the negative 7 watts per square meter. There's an alarm that is set at 1 times 10 to the negative 10 watts per square meter. But the question tells us it'll only go off if there is something 30 decibels louder than this. So it's kind of mixing units here. It's like if you travel 5 miles and then 3 kilometers, how far have you gone? So you need to do some kind of conversions here. So I don't remember the order that I did it. Whatever, I'll just move the paper. So 30 decibels, I looked at, that's 1 times 10 to the negative 9 watts per square meter. But that is probably the least helpful bit here. This right here, this alarm set at 20. 20 plus 30 is 50. So it says it will go off if it reads anything above 50. Well, when you convert this, 2.35 times 10 to the negative 7, it's actually a bit more than 50 decibels. 1 times 10 to the negative 7 is 50 decibels. So if it's bigger than 50, which this is, because it's 2.35 instead of just 1, times 10 to the negative 7. So that coughing burglar is going to be busted. Hopefully that makes sense.